Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria, and today we are going to be making a mermaid costume. All you need to make this is a doll, green Play-Doh, blue Play-Doh, a Play-Doh rolling pin, and a Play-Doh knife. If you don't have either of these, then that is okay. You can just use a real one with a parent's permission. Let's get started. To start off the mermaid, first you are going to have to make a base. The base is going to be the same color as your tail, so it will blend in. After we make the base, we are just going to roll out a piece of Play-Doh and cut it into a rectangle shape. At one of the shorter ends of the rectangle, cut out a V shape. This part will go around the mermaid's waist. Now we're just going to wrap our piece of Play-Doh around the doll's waist. There, she's coming along great. Now we just need to work on the fins. All you need to do is roll up 2 small balls and flatten them out. Then cut them into a leaf shape. Perfect! On to the next one. Apply the fins to the base of your mermaid. And I have a surprise for you what I'm going to add on to the fins, but you're going to have to wait till the end to find out what it is. The tail is looking great. Now we are just going to work on the top half of the mermaid. All you're going to need to do for that is roll out a piece of Play-Doh and cut it into a rectangle. In the middle, cut out 2 little triangles. But you can design your top however you want. Next, I'm going to apply the top half to the mermaid. Wow, our mermaid looks great! Are you ready for the surprise? Here is our mermaid. If you wanted, you can even add some more sparkles to her fins, like this. Great, now she's good to go. And again, you can use any color that you want to make your mermaid. I hope you liked this video. Come back next time to see what I'm making next.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.